Hey you guys, this is Kel and I'm back to do another video for you guys. Hey, so I decided to revisit a wig. When I first did this wig, I just did it to show you guys how it looked straight out the box, if the knots were bleached, if not, blah 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 blah. Just an initial review, right? So I decided that I actually want to wear this wig. So I decided to customize it a little bit. Mind you, I am not the best at customization. I did pluck her, I did bleach her knots. But anywho, I didn't even tell you what the wig is. This wig is the Ishow hair by Ishow Beauty. It's in a 22 inches lace closure wig. It is not a full lace frontal, just a lace closure. So I decided to bleach her. I decided to customize her. I also used my new flat iron by Duvolle hair on her. So you guys will see all of that in the video, but I just wanted to have an intro for it. But I am about to put it on right now. I did do a lot of customization. Hopefully this turns out right. If not, I'm going to be highly upset. So hopefully I didn't ruin her. But you're just gonna have to watch the video. So of course the bleaching, the straightening, the styling, and of course me putting it on. So this might be a longer video than usual, but I wanted to be very detailed in what I did. So I'll see you guys in this clip. Okay, you guys, here I am mixing the bleach. I used the BW bleach and the 30 volume developer by Salon Care, and I mixed it pretty thick. I didn't want it to bleed from the closure to the hair. I just wanted it, of course, to stay on to bleach the knots. I left this on for about 15 minutes. Okay, here I am. I am parting the front of the closure so I can start plucking. Of course, I just wanted to thin it out in the front. I was trying not to thin it out too much because, of course, I don't want bald spots in the front of my wig. That's not cute. But yeah, I was just plucking away, trying to get it to my desired thickness. Okay, here I am putting some mousse on the front so I can smooth it back so I can see exactly what it looks like. I actually parted some more in the front. I used the zigzag method so I wouldn't pluck too much hair out and of course have bald spots. After that, I tried to mold it and pick where I wanted my part. I didn't end up putting my part there, but that is what I did. I also used my straightening comb to straighten out and mold it a little bit better.
Sing my song.
Here I am using my Mary Duvolle's to straighten and curl the hair. I was really going for the little messy curl look. This curling iron worked really well. I actually really like it. At first I put like some really tight curls into it, and then I was like, no, that's not what I'm really going for, so I started putting loose curls in it. But that's pretty much what I'm doing. I was pretty much testing out the curling iron to see exactly what it did, how it worked, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, this is just me styling the hair. Alright, you guys, here I am putting the wig cap on. I did not do the bald cap method all the way because it was just this is just a closure wig. So all I did was use my Got2b gel and of course put that on the front. I used my blow dryer to let it dry a little bit so it can be a tad bit tacky, and then of course I adhered my wig. I also used the Got2b freeze spray to adhere it once I actually put the wig on, but that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to of course be using the mousse and the Got2b spray to get rid of some of those flyaways in the front. But that's pretty much all I'm using. I also used the Maybelline Fit Me powder in mocha to put onto the lace on the inside of the lace. And that's pretty much all I did. And this is me putting the wig on.
Sing my song.
Alright, you guys, I am back with the wig on. Everything's adjusted, you know what I mean? Okay, this video is probably already going to be too long for my liking, so I'm going to try to make this part very, very short. Of course, this is Ishow Beauty hair. Yeah, I will leave all of the links to this wig in the description box. Of course, I still love this hair. I still like it. I just wanted to revisit it and of course customize the wig to my liking. Of course, because I didn't pluck it, I didn't bleach it, I didn't do any of that before. So now I'm doing it so the wig look much better than it did then. Okay? Because I was not feeling that either, but I did want to give you the initial review of what you were getting out of the box. Okay? Now that I've plucked it, which I probably do need to do a little bit more plucking. But besides that, I still love this hair. I hate these flyaways though. That's what's getting on my nerves. But of course, use some Got2b spray and then tie your hair down. I didn't do that, but that's what you can do to get rid of them. But besides that, hair's perfect. No tangles, no shedding. Still bomb, 22 inches. Let me know if you guys like this type of video of me customizing units for you guys. I would do more of that if you like that. But if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Tell me if you like this video or these type of videos in the comment section. Tell me if you don't like it. That's fine too. We can figure it out. Go ahead and share my wigs, my videos with all of your wig loving friends. Getting tongue-tied today. And of course, subscribe to my channel, because I would greatly appreciate you joining this family. And that's it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.